Fifth question, find the equation of a ellipse with focus 2, 0 and eccentricity is 2 by 5. So here actually for the ellipse there are two focus, but he gave only one, that is 2, 0. So let's compare with AE, 0 is a focus of the ellipse. It is equals to 2, 0. So then A into E equals to 2, but as per the question E value given, that is E value 2 by 5. Let's substitute the E value in this. So then A into 2 by 5 equals to 2. Here 2 cancel, then A equals to 5. Let's substitute the B value. To find out the B value, I am using the E formula, eccentricity formula, that is under root 1 minus B square divided by A square. E value is 2 by 5 under root 1 minus B square divided by A square value, here A value 5. So now 2 by 5 whole square equals to 1 minus B square divided by 25. Here 2 square 4, 5 square 25. Let's take the LCM, 25 minus B square. Here 25 cancel, 4 equals to 25 minus B square. Then B square equals to 25 minus 4. B square equals to 21. So the standard form of ellipse is x square by A square plus y square by B square equals to 1. X square by A value is 5. So 5 square, y square divided by B square value, that is 21, equals to 1. X square by 5 square is 25, y square divided by 21 equals to 1. So this is our required equation of a ellipse. Sixth question, A problem, find the equation of the ellipse whose focus is 1, minus 2. Directrix is 3x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0 and eccentricity is 1 by root 2. So here the focus is compare with x1, y1, it is equals to 1, minus 2. Next directrix means the fixed line compare with here 3x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. So compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So then a value is 3. Next b value is minus 2. Next eccentricity, that is e equals to 1 by root 2. So when the focus and one fixed line, that means directrix, and one eccentricity given, so then the equation of a ellipse is a square plus b square bracket of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equals to e square into ax plus by plus c whole square. Let's substitute the values in this. Here a value is 3 and b value is minus 2. So x minus x1 value here 1 plus y minus y1 value minus 2. So then y minus or minus plus, it is equals to e value 1 by root 2. Next ax plus by plus c whole square, that means 3x minus 2y plus 1 whole square. Let us simplify this. 3 square 9 minus 2 whole square 4, so total 13. Here a minus b whole square formula, here a plus b whole square formula. So x square plus 1 square minus 2 into x into 1. Here y square plus 2 square plus 2 into y into 2. It is equals to 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. Here a plus b plus c whole square formula. So 3x whole square minus 2y whole square 1 square plus 2 into 3x into minus 2y plus 2 into minus 2y into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3x. So a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. So here 2 is dividing, so transpose to left side. Then 2 into 13 will become 26. X square plus 1 square 1 minus 2x plus y square 2 square 4 plus 2 2s are 4y. It is equals to 3x whole square 9x square minus 2y whole square is plus 4y square. Next to 1 square is 1. Next to 2 into 3x into minus 2y. So that means 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So minus 12xy. Next to 2 into minus 2 into 1 is minus 4y. 2 into 1 into 3x plus 6x. Now 26 multiply inside 26x square. Next here 1 plus 4 5. So 5 into 26. It is 130 plus minus 2 into 26 minus 52x plus 26y square. Next to 4 into 26. 6 4s are 24. 2 carry 104. Sorry, 4 already completed. So 104 into y. Next to transpose these all terms to left side. Minus 9x square minus 4y square minus 1 plus 12xy plus 4y minus 6x equals to 0. 26x square minus 9x square is 17x square. 26y square minus 4y square. So it is equals to 22y square. Next to here plus 12xy plus 12xy. After that here minus 52x minus 6x minus 58x. Next to 104y plus 4y plus 108y. 130 minus 1. So it is 129 equals to 0. So this is our required equation of a ellipse. Next to question number B, find the equation of the ellipse whose focus is 1 comma minus 1, directrix is x minus y plus 3 equals 0 and eccentricity is 1 by 2. So the focus is denoting with x1 comma y1. It is equals to 1 comma minus 1. Next directrix is x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. So compare with the standard form. So here a value 1, b value minus 1. Next eccentricity e equals to 1 by 2. So here one focus, one directrix and eccentricity, 3 values given. Then the formula to find out the equation of ellipse is a square plus b square bracket of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equals to e square into ax plus by plus c whole square. Let's substitute the values in this. Here a value 1, so 1 square, b value minus 1, so bracket of x minus x1, x1 is 1 whole square, y minus y1 is minus 1, so minus of minus plus 1 whole square. Next e square, that is 1 by 2 whole square. So then ax plus by plus c, so that means x minus y plus 3 whole square. Let's simplify this. Here 1 square 1 minus 1 square also 1, so then overall 2 bracket of here a minus b whole square formula, x square plus 1 square minus 2 into x into 1 plus a plus b whole square formula, y square plus 1 square plus 2 into y into 1. It is equals to 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Here a minus a plus b plus c whole square formula. So x square plus minus y whole square plus 3 square 2 into x into minus y plus 2 into minus y into 3 plus 2 into 3 into x. So now this 1 by 4 transpose to left side. So then 4 2s are 8 bracket of x square 1 square 1 minus 2x plus y square. Here 1 square 1 2 into y is 2y equals to x square plus y square plus 9 minus 2xy minus 6y minus plus 3 2s are 6x. Now 8 multiplying inside, so 8 into x square 8x square. Here 1 plus 1 2 2 into 8 16. Next to minus 16x 8y square 16y. Now write these all terms to left side. Minus x square minus y square minus 9 plus 2xy plus 6y minus 6x equals to 0. 8x square minus x square, it is 7x square. Next to 8y square minus y square, it is also 7y square. Next here 2xy. After that minus 16x minus 6x is minus 22x plus 16y plus 6y, it is plus 22y. Next to 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7 equals to 0. So this is our required equation of a ellipse. Seventh bit, find the equation of a ellipse whose center is origin, whose axes are the axis of coordinates, and which passes through the points 1 comma minus 3 and minus 2 comma 2. So the standard form of a ellipse is x square divided by a square y square divided by b square equals to 1. But it is passes through 1 comma minus 3. So then substitute x equals to 1, y equals to minus 3. So then 1 square divided by a square, next to minus 3 whole square divided by b square equals to 1. So 1 by a square plus 9 by b square equals to 1. And it is also passes through minus 2 comma 2. So then substitute x equals to minus 2, y equals to 2 in the standard form of ellipse. Then minus 2 whole square divided by a square, next to 2 square divided by b square equals to 1. 4 by a square plus 4 by b square equals to 1. So in the two equations, denominators are same. Here a square, b square, b square. So then let 1 by a square equals to m, next to 1 by b square equals to n. So then the two equations will become, so the first equation is m plus 9 into n equals to 1, equation 1. Next second equation will become 4m plus 4n equals to 1, equation 2. Let us use the elimination method. To eliminate the variable m from the two equations, equation 1 multiply with 4. Then 4 bracket of m plus 9n equals to 1. Then 4m plus 4 9s are 36n, 4 1s are 4, equation 3. Now equation 3 minus equation 2. Equation 3 is 4m plus 36n equals to 4. Equation 2 is 4m plus 4n equals to 1. Now change the symbols. Here minus, here minus, here minus. Here both are cancelled. So here 36n minus 4n is 32n. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then n equals to 3 by 32. Let's substitute n value either in equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3. So I am substituting in equation 1, that is m plus 9n equals to 1. So m plus 9 into 3 by 32 equals to 1. M plus 9 3s are 27 divided by 32 equals to 1. M equals to 1 minus 27 divided by 32. So here the LCM is 32. So 32 minus 27. So then M equals to 32 minus 27 is 5 by 32. But we selected 1 by a square equals to m. 1 by a square equals to m. So then 1 by a square equals to m value 5 by 32. Then a square equals to 32 by 5. So here keep it as it is, a value 32 by 5. Next to 1 by b square equals to n. So then 1 by b square equals to n value 3 by 32. So then b square equals to 32 by 3. So let us use the standard form of a ellipse, that is x square by a square y square by b square equals to 1. So x square by a square value 32 by 5 plus y square by b square value 32 by 3 equals to 1. So here 5x square divided by 32, 3y square divided by 32 equals to 1. Here denominators are same, then add the numerators as it is, equals to 1. Now 32 transpose to RHS side. 5x square plus 3y square equals to 32 is our required equation of a ellipse. Question number B 2, 7 and 4, 3. Let's take the standard form x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So it is passes through the point 2, 7. So then substitute x equals to 2, y equals to 7. So then x square divided by 2 square divided by a square plus 7 square divided by b square equals to 1. 4 by a square plus 49 by b square equals to 1. Next it is passes through the another point 4, 3. Then substitute x equals to 4, y equals to 3 in the standard form of a ellipse. So x square means 4 square divided by a square. Next 3 square divided by b square equals to 1. 16 by a square plus 9 by b square equals to 1. So in these two equations I am going to assume that 1 by a square equals to m, 1 by b square equals to n. So then the first equation will become 4m plus 49n equals to 1, equation 1. The second equation will become 16m plus 9n equals to 1, equation 2. Let us eliminate the variable m from the 1 and 2 equations. So that is why equation 1 multiply with 4. So 4 bracket of 4m plus 49n equals to 1. 4 4 is 16m, 4 9 is 36, 3 carry, 4 4 is 16 plus 3, 19, 4 into 1 4, equation 3. Now equation 3 minus equation 2. The equation 3 is 16m plus 196n equals to 4. Equation 2 is 16m plus 9n equals to 1. Now change the symbols, minus, minus, minus. Here both are cancelled. So then 196 minus 9n equals to 187n. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then n equals to 3 divided by 187. Here 3, no cancellation. So n value 3 by 187. Let's substitute this n value either in 1, 2 or third equation. I am substituting in the equation 1, that is 4m plus 49n equals to 1. So 4m plus 49 into n value 3 by 187 equals to 1. So 4m, here 49 3s are 3 7s are 27, 2 carry, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14, divided by 187 equals to 1. 4m equals to 1 minus 147 divided by 187. 4m equals to, let's take the LCM, 187 minus 147 by 187. 4m equals to 187 minus 147 is 40 by 187. 4 ones are 4 tens are. Then m equals to 10 divided by 187. But at the beginning we selected that 1 by a square equals to m. So then 1 by a square equals to m value 10 divided by 187. Then a square equals to 187 divided by 10. Next, similarly, we selected that 1 by b square equals to n. So 1 by b square equals to n value 3 divided by 187. So then b square equals to 187 divided by 3. Let's substitute a square and b square values in the standard form of ellipse. So the standard form is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. X square by a square value 187 divided by 10 and y square by b square value 187 divided by 3 equals to 1. So here 10x square divided by 187 plus 3y square divided by 187 equals to 1. Next take the LCM. 187 is LCM. 10x square plus 3y square equals to 1. So 10x square plus 3y square equals to 187 is our required equation of a ellipse. Question number C, minus 2 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Let's take the standard form of ellipse, that is x square by a square y square by b square equals to 1. Substitute the first point, that is x equals to minus 2, y equals to 6. So next substitute second point, x equals to minus 3, y equals to 4. In these two equations, let's select the 1 by a square equals to m, 1 by b square equals to n. So then the first equation will become 4m plus 36n equals to 1, equation 1. Then the second equation will become 9m plus 16n equals to 1, equation 2. Let's eliminate either a variable m or n from the both equations. So I am going to eliminate the variable m. So that is why equation 1 multiply with 9 and equation 2 multiply with 4. The equation 1 is 4m plus 36n equals to 1 multiply with 9. 9 4s are 36m. 9 into 36 is 324. 9 into 1 is 9. Equation 3. Next to equation 2. 9m plus 16n equals to 1 multiply with 4. 4 9s are 36m. 4 into 16 64n. 4 1s are 4. Equation number 4. Now equation 3 minus equation 4. The equation 3 is, what is that, 36m plus 324n, sorry, here actually n, it is equals to 9. Next to 36m plus 64n equals to 4. Now change the symbols. Here both are cancelled. 324 minus 64 is 260n. 9 minus 4 is 5. Then n equals to 5 divided by 260. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. N equals to 1 by 52. Let's substitute n equals to 1 by 52 in any equation, 1, 2, 3 or 4. We will get the same answer. So I am substituting in equation 1, that is 4m plus 36n equals to 1. 4m plus 36 into n value 1 by 52 equals to 1. So here both are coming in 4 table. 4 9s are 36, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Then 4m equals to 1 minus 9 by 13. 4m equals to 13 minus 9 by 13. 4m equals to 4 by 13. Then you have 4 4 cancel, m equals to 1 by 13. But at the beginning we assumed that 1 by a square equals to m. Here 1 by a square equals to m. 1 by a square equals to m value 1 by 13. Then a square equals to 13. Similarly, 1 by b square selected as a n. So 1 by b square equals to n value 1 by 52. Then b square equals to 52. Now let's select the standard form of a ellipse. So that is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equals to 1. X square by a square value 13 plus y square by b square value 52 equals to 1. So the LCM of 13 comma 52 is 52. 52 in 13 table 4s are, so 4x square plus y square equals to 1. Then 4x square plus y square equals to 52 is our required equation of a ellipse. Question number D, 7 comma 2 and 3 comma 4. Let's take the standard form of ellipse. So substitute the first point, that is 7 comma 2. So substitute x equals to 7, y equals to 2. So next to substitute the second point. So what is the second point? 3 comma 4. So substitute x equals to 3, y equals to 4 in the standard form of ellipse. In these two equations, let 1 by a square equals to m, 1 by b square equals to n. So then the first equation will become 49m plus 4n equals to 1, and the second equation will become 9m plus 16n equals to 1. So it is equation 1, this is equation 2. Let's eliminate the variable n from the both equations. That is why equation 1 I am multiplying with 4. So 49n plus 4n equals to 1, multiply with 4. 4 into 49, 4 9s are 36, 3 carry, 4 4s are 16 plus 3. Now equation 3 minus equation 2. The equation 3 is 196m plus 16n equals to 4, and equation 2 9m plus 16n equals to 1. Now change the symbols, minus, here minus, it is also minus, so 16n minus 16n cancel, 196m minus 9m is 187m equals to 4 minus 1 is 3. Then m equals to 3 divided by 187. So substitute the m value in any equation, either 1, 2 or 3. So I am selecting the equation 1. So what is that? Selecting the equation 2, 9m plus 16n equals to 1. So 9 into m value 3 divided by 187 plus 16n equals to 1. 9 3s are 27 divided by 187 plus 16n equals to 1. 16n equals to 1 minus 27 divided by 187. So the n value is 10 divided by 187, but at the beginning we selected that 1 by a square equals to m. So 1 by a square equals to m value is 3 divided by 187. So then a square equals to 187 divided by 3. Next to 1 by b square equals to n. So 1 by b square equals to n value 10 divided by 187. Then b square equals to 187 divided by 10. Let's substitute the a square and b square values in the standard form of ellipse. So the standard form of ellipse is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equals to 1. So x square divided by a square value 187 divided by 3 plus y square divided by b square value 187 divided by 10 equals to 1. So then 3x square divided by 187 plus 10y square divided by 187 equals to 1. Here the LCM is 187, then add the numerators as it is. So finally the required answer is 3x square plus 10y square equals to 187 is our required ellipse equation. Question number E 2, 2 and 3, 1. Let's take the standard form of ellipse. Substitute the first point, that is x equals to 2, y equals to 2. 4 divided by a square plus 4 divided by b square. Next substitute the second point, that is 3, 1. 9 divided by a square plus 1 divided by b square. Let's assume 1 by a square equals to m, 1 by b square equals to n. So then the first equation will become 4m plus 4n equals to 1, equation 1. The equation 2 is 9m plus n equals to 1, equation 2. Let's eliminate the variable n from the both equations. So then equation 2 multiply with 4, equation 3. Now equation 3 minus equation 2. The equation 3 is 36m plus 4n equals to 4, and equation 2 is 9m plus n. Equation 3 minus equation 1. Equation 3 minus equation 1. So 36m plus 4n equals to 4, and equation 1 is 4m plus 4n equals to 1. Now change the symbols. 36 minus 4 is 32m, and plus 4n minus 4n cancel. It is equals to 3. Then m equals to 3 divided by 32. Substitute this m value either in 1 or 2 or 3. So here I am substituting in equation 2. 9m plus n equals to 1. 9 into 3 divided by 32 plus n equals to 1. 9 3s are 27 divided by 32 plus n equals to 1. N equals to 5 divided by 32. So but 1 by a square equals to m. So 1 by a square equals to m value 3 divided by 32. So then a square equals to 32 divided by 3. Next to 1 by b square equals to n. So 1 by b square equals to n value 5 by 32. Then b square equals to 32 divided by 5. So let's take the standard form of ellipse, that is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equals to 1. So substitute the a square and b square values in this. So x square divided by a square value 32 divided by 3 plus y square divided by b square value 32 divided by 5 equals to 1. So then 3x square divided by 32 plus 5y square divided by 32 equals to 1. So the LCM is 32. 3x square plus 5y square equals to 1. So 3x square plus 5y square equals to 32. This is our required answer. Question number F minus 2 comma 1 and minus 1 comma 3. So let's select the standard form. X square divided by a square, y square divided by b square equals to 1. Substitute the first point, that is minus 2 comma 1. 4 divided by a square plus 1 divided by b square. Next substitute the second point, minus 1 comma 3. 1 divided by a square plus 9 divided by b square. So let's select the 1 by a square equals to m. Next to 1 by b square equals to n. So then the first equation will becomes 4m plus n equals to 1, equation 1, and the second one will becomes m plus 9n equals to 1, equation 2. So we can eliminate either m or n from these two equations. So I am going to eliminate the equation m variable. So then equation 2 multiply with 4. So m plus 9n equals to 1. Now equation 3 minus equation 1. The equation 3 is 4m plus 36n equals to 4. Next equation 1 is 4m plus n equals to 1. So then change the symbols, both are cancelled. 35n equals to 3, then n equals to 3 divided by 35. So substitute this value either in 1 or 2 or 3, but I am substituting in the equation 1. 4m plus n equals to 1. 4m plus n value 3 by 35 equals to 1. So 4m equals to 1 minus 3 by 35. But at the beginning we selected that 1 by a square equals to m. So then 1 by a square equals to m value 8 by 35. So then a square equals to 35 divided by 8. Next to 1 by b square equals to n. So 1 by b square equals to n value 3 by 35. So then b square equals to 35 divided by 3. Now select the standard form of ellipse, that is x square by a square y square by b square equals to 1. Substitute the a square and b square values. X square divided by 35 by 8 plus y square divided by 35 by 3 equals to 1. So then 8x square divided by 35 plus 3y square divided by 35 equals to 1. Your denominators are same, then 8x square plus 3y square divided by 35 equals to 1. So 8x square plus 3y square equals to 35 is our required answer.